What's going on, everybody? Old School Rockford Fosgate here. This item, actually before I open this all the way, does not pass my shake test. Box is kind of beat up. This box has been reused, so it was never a brand new box to begin with. But we'll get her opened up and take a look. So we got some of this softer material. Put that over here. Got paper. Okay, so we got an end cap wrapped in brown paper. So an end cap here. Make sure everything's focused because I can't see that high. It's kind of dirty. I don't know what is on some of these things sometimes. I hope it's not mold. Who knows? We'll find out. Amplifier. Nope. They could have wrapped this around the amplifier to maybe help protect it just a little bit or something. I don't know. So we'll get the box out of the way here. So we have a Punch 200 DSM. Has some wires sticking out. Flip it around here. For those that don't know, the 200 DSM does not have a crossover card on the bottom. There are three, let me think about this. I think three different versions. There's a 200 DSM, there's a 200 IX, which the IX stands for internal crossover, then there's a 200X2. The 200 has, it's laid out a little bit differently on the board. The 200IX and 200X2 are pretty much identical, but the 200X2 has what's called a PSD1 port, which stands for Punch Status Display. So this amplifier I bought because A, it came with both end caps, and B, the warranty seal has not been broken. So bring this up here. Hopefully you guys can see that. The seal has not been broken. So that leads me to believe that this amplifier has never been opened or repaired. On this end, we have our treble and our bass boost, which that was... Okay, neither one of these were turned all the way up, so that's good. And then our gain pots. Let's take a look here. That one was turned almost all the way up. This one was not turned all the way up. So this actually is a good sign. One thing to note about these particular amplifiers here, like the 200, it has kind of a wrinkle type finish on the bottom of the heatsink. Sorry, on the bottom plate. And I don't know if you folks can see that very well or not. A lot of the 200IX and the 200X2s is more of a flat paint to it. Also on these, make sure it's going the right way. On the older regular, I'm going to call them regular amplifiers, like a 40, a 60, a 100, they actually have identification marks on cast into the actual heatsink. So this is out, positive, negative, bass, gain, in. So it kind of makes it easier